In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and sometimes you may need to clean up your chart of accounts by making certain accounts inactive. This can help keep your records organized and ensure you're focusing only on the accounts that are currently relevant to your business. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily deactivate an account when needed. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the menu. From the options that appear, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts are listed, including their names, types, and balances. Think of it as the master list of all the financial accounts you've set up in QuickBooks Online. Next, review the list to identify the account you'd like to make inactive. Take a moment to check the account name and type to ensure you're selecting the correct one. This step is important because making an account inactive will hide it from your list and prevent it from being used in the future. Though don't worry, you can always reactivate it if needed. Once you've identified the account, move your cursor to the far right side of its row. You'll see a small caret icon, which looks like a downward-facing arrow. This is the Quick Action menu. Click on that arrow to reveal additional options for that account. From the drop-down menu, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your choice, so take a moment to double-check that this is the account you want to deactivate. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. QuickBooks will process your request, and the account will now be marked as inactive. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your chart of accounts by deactivating an account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.